Henry, my backpack is gone. Stay calm. We will find it. I left it right here.
We will look carefully together.
Let us look for clues first. Do you see something?
This place is amazing. I want to see the penguins.
Keep your things close and stay with us.
I will remember. Look at my dolphin charm. It is perfect for the aquarium. The fish are swimming above us. It feels like we are underwater. Look, a stingray. It looks like it is flying.
Can penguins swim fast?
Yes, they are excellent swimmers. They are so cute.
You really love penguins.
I will put my backpack here.
Do not forget it.
Look, I drew a penguin. That looks great.
Come here. The penguins are swimming.
I am coming.
This floor is getting wet. I should move this bag. I will keep it somewhere dry. The owner can collect it later. I will put the bag on the shelf. It will stay safe here. I am coming now. I will return in a moment.
My backpack was right here.
Let us check around the bench.
Someone moved my backpack.
We will stay here and look carefully.
We will search together. I think I see something. That is my dolphin charm. Then your backpack came this way. Look, there are wet footprints.
They lead toward that corridor.
Do the footprints keep going? Yes, they lead this way. This sticker came from your backpack.
We must be very close. There it is. You found my backpack.
I thought I lost it forever. It was safe the whole time. Everything is still inside.
That is good news.
I moved your bag to keep it dry.
Thank you for keeping it safe.
Stay calm and look for the facts.
Henry's clues helped us find it.